Okay, so today I lost 700. Actually, I don't even know how much I lost. Over $700? Over $1,000? Let's find out. What's happening, people? Welcome to another video. Tonight we're gonna be talking about, or maybe today, we're gonna be talking about how I lost $700 with Cash App. Insane. I don't know about you guys, but I've been so stressed out over the past few days. Stock market going down, this whole new thing of happening, the toilet paper, the hand sanitizer. Come on, man, let's do this video. Let's do it. All right, people, welcome back. And man, this week has been absolutely crazy. So I don't know about you guys, if you guys been investing into the stock market, or if you just got started, if you've been thinking about it, if you've been thinking about gold. It's been such a stressful week, man, with everything that is happening, with shortage of toilet paper to hand sanitizer to anything, you name it. We were in Walmart and it was insanely packed with people. It was like World War III, and everyone fighting with each other, trying to find toilet paper, shampoo, all sorts of stuff, man. It was crazy. But today I'm gonna be talking about, are we gonna continue investing our money with Cash App? So as a newbie, or I would say as someone who just started investing, the first app that I downloaded and started investing was Cash App. And honestly, I didn't know much, just like a lot of you guys. And I started investing $100, $50, $200, $300. Every time I had something extra cash, I invested into Cash App. And it was easy. It was super easy to buy them. It was super easy to sell my stocks. But one thing that I didn't realize, it was the fact that Cash App only covers the actual stock market hours. So Cash App actually lets you only trade from 6:30 in the morning to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's kind of insane because that's only the stock market hours. But what I just find out as also a newbie that I'm experiencing this with you guys is basically a lot of the happenings that happens in the stock market, they call it after market or after hours market, which are the hours or basically the time that the stock market is already closed. But a lot of people are gonna be still buying, selling, and trading stocks. And that's when a lot of the things actually starts happening. So a lot of the time, if you guys pay attention, when we have such a good pre-market hours, then the rest of the day it's gonna be pretty much the same direction. So I've been investing my time into Robinhood app, which actually gives you an extra half an hour in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon after the market closes to actually be able to trade, sell, and buy the stocks that you're actually more interested in. And by those extra 2.5 hours, you can kind of figure out what the day is gonna be looking like. And it's like you can get your way into a head of line to buy or sell. And that's how I lost $600, almost $700 with Cash App, because by the time that Cash App actually processes your purchases or your sellings, the market already fluctuated so much in the morning or even after hours that you're going to be losing so much money because you don't have the opportunity to actually sell your accounts or sell your shares on the right time that you need to sell. And I know that WEBULL actually gives you even extended more amount of hours, that it's basically insane number of hours that you can buy and sell. So I'm gonna leave the link on the bottom for WEBULL that you can actually open an account and make a deposit and earn 2 free stocks up to $1,400 just by signing up. So it could be $1 deposit, it could be $10 deposit. I'm not gonna push you guys. Whatever amount that you're comfortable, you can start investing and you can get 2 stocks up to $1,400, which is insane if you wanna start investing into stock market. But back to basically Cash App, this is the reason why I'm not going to be using Cash App anymore, because I noticed that by the time they actually sell the stocks that I told them to sell or buy the stocks that I told them to buy, market has already fluctuated so much. So by the time they actually process my stock, I already lost and I'm already negative. So I know there's all those stocks that are basically shorts and they're basically work opposite of stock market, just like DWT or the SQQQ. These are the stocks that they're perfect for you to buy as of now, just for a few days, and just basically hold on to it for even a couple of hours or maybe a day or two. But they're definitely, you don't want to hold on to them for more than a day or two, just because as soon as we start getting a more confirmation about the virus and how the market's gonna go back on and start going ramping up again, then you definitely don't want to be with the shorts, because that's going to be a lot more complicated for you guys to understand, and it's going to be a lot tougher to study. So the best way for you, if you want to buy the short stock, is just to buy into them for a day or two, sell them, collect your profit, even if it's not much, and do not invest into it heavily. That would be my recommendation for you guys. But definitely one thing that I wanted to talk about is, if you have any money inside the Cash App and you want to start investing more and heavily into the stock market, I think it's a great time for you to start selling the stocks that you can, just because I think with what's happening around us with the whole virus, the stock market is going to go down a little bit more, I feel like, and there's few more days that you can wait on the sideline to invest later on into the stock and into the shares of the companies that you actually like to invest into. But definitely it's a great time for you to pull your money from the Cash App. But the good thing about them is you can actually deposit that money right away in your account. You don't have to wait multiple days. You only have to pay, I think, 1% to deposit it back to your account. And also then you can deposit that same money into your Robinhood account, which they give you an instant deposit up to $5,000 if you have their gold membership. And then you can start actually buying the whole shares. But then you would be able to see that you can actually invest into it at least half an hour earlier before the market opens and up to 2 hours after the market closes down. So you still have time to figure out how the market is going to be playing, even though there's no such a thing as completely 100% knowing what's going to happen to the market. But at least you can prepare yourself to see if your stocks are going down that day. You can be on top of it and you can make the right decision, hopefully by the time that you can act on it. So hopefully you guys learned something today. Let me know what the app is that you guys are using to purchase basically your stocks that you want to buy, and if you like Cash App or if you use WEBULL. Personally, I've been using a lot of the Robinhood, a lot of the WEBULL, and I hope you guys smash the like button, just because I stay up to 3 o'clock in the morning to film this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Ciao.